Next, Advan versus Sean Martin.
Here you go, Advan. Advan, one of our local drifters, Tech 1 Drift Driver, TDC 2020 World Cup qualifier. So I think everyone's expecting a lot from Advan on this run.
Okay, drifters ready. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Advan off the line into the chicane with the shot. Not backing down, very confident, getting a right amount of oversteer. Advan trying to get flip one, but look at this shot in the chase position, fills it up much better, but gets too aggressive in clipping zone number 2, gives Advan a tap. Let's see clipping zone number 3, lacking the angle is Sean, but into number 4, a bit of a tighter line for Sean, but still keeps that proximity. Let's see how he's going to end this run. Nice and clean for both drivers. Errors for both drivers, but I don't know which way the judges will side for this run.
Advantage 0.5 to leader. Let's see the second round. Ready and 3, 2, 1, go.
There goes Sean out front. There we go in Advan, getting through the chicane also. Right there on his door, coming out to the main straight. And Sean, big entry. But look at this Advan right there with him. But Advan takes it too far to the left, hits the wall, tries to make up for it by gaining proximity, and Sean is clipping zone number 2. Look at this, Sean's entry into clipping zone number 2, raises the wall into number 4. And last transition, both of them flicking in, Advan trying to gain that proximity, the last ditch effort to gain those points over Sean. Judges still deliberating, but this just goes to show that drifting can be anyone's game.
Winner, Sean Martin.
There you go, Sean moves on. Congratulations, Sean.
Next, Q versus Kevin. Kevin is the leader, Q is the chaser.
Do a lead run against Q.
Okay, drifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Kevin out the gate off of the main straight. Here we go, what kind of entry? Nice flick, but goes offline, has to make a correction there. But look at this Q into clipping zone number 2. Kevin almost snapping the wall there, clipping zone number 2 into number 3. Let's see how Q goes there. Bigger angle to Kevin in outer zone 3 into 4. Last transition, Q tries to dive in, but oh man. Q almost had it, but just got too excited. The timing on the transition was just a little too early, putting him offline, gets back on throttle, but it's just a little too late. Loops it right before the finish line. So now we're going to switch them around. Kevin now in the chase position, while Q, all the way from Brunei, is in the lead position.
Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Q off the line, let's see the chicane. Okay, looks like a clean start. Almost snapping the wall outside there. Into the clipping zone number 1. Q pours on the angle, going to clipping zone number 2. A weird transition there. It looks like Kevin is getting stuck behind it, trying to keep the proximity. Q going to number 4 into the transition into number 5. The last clipping zone, let's see how it does here. Ooh, okay. Kevin adjusting the angle, Q pouring on the angle, but a
Winner, Kevin Pan.
There you go, Kevin in the pink.
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Starts off the gate through the chicane, onto the main straight. Smooth sailing, and almost taps the wall and saves it. But look at that, Joseph gives him a love tap. trying to chase him down, lacking the angle, trying to gain that proximity again. But look at this, Lawrence through flipping zone number 3. Joseph trying to get that proximity once again, but it's not really working out for him. Into the last flipping zone, let's see what happens here. Nice and clean lead run for Lawrence. Joseph really struggling to get on Lawrence's door, but now we're going to switch them around and see what Lawrence can do in the chase position.
Let's see the second run. Drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Joseph out front in the orange car. There goes Lawrence, trying to gain that proximity, waiting for his initiation. Big entry, but lacks the proximity inside the zone. Missing the entry into flipping zone 2. There we go, Lawrence is trying to be wary, seeing where Joseph's going to end up, trying to get on the door, trying to get that clean proximity, giving space of transition into the last flipping zone. Big angle, but look at that. Lawrence still there, part of the picture, trying to get on Joseph's door.
Winner, Lawrence Marine. .5 advantage. Versus Kevin. Battle Park.
All right, this is it. This will be the final battle of the lower bracket of the Drift Master class. Whoever wins this battle will go on to the main event later on, the main bracket of Drift Masters.
Kevin is the leader. Battle of the Tan. Kevin Tan versus Nancy Tan.
All right, which Tan will come out on top?
Okay, drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
There you go, Kevin out front. Nansky chasing him down. Kevin, let's see his initiation and entry, fills it up just about. Oh, look at this, Nansky also fills up flipping zone number 1. Gets right onto Kevin's door. Kevin giving him a nice lead run to chase. Nansky shadowing him. Good job from Nansky. Let's see this transition. Oh, Nansky commits an error. And Kevin throws him off line, forcing him to go inside.
Score 6-4. Advantage to leader. Second run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
There you go, Nansky coming out of the chicane with disadvantage. What kind of entry can we expect from him? He knows that he's at a disadvantage. He needs a pull out. Greatness! And just as I say that, oh, that's what these drifters need to do. Oh! It looks like Steven totaled this car. Takes over in the lead. And they just finish it off. Again, this was the battle. This was the final battle to get into the main show.
Joey Casmita versus Nick. Joey is the leader. Nick is the chaser.
Coming from Malaysia. And Nip, once again, coming from Thailand, just goes to show that this is an international event.
Joey is the leader.
Joey out in front, coming from Malaysia with his Pink Bull RX-7. And there we go, Nip from Thailand, chasing him down for run number 1.
Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
There you go, Joey out of the gate, through the chicane. Nice flick onto the main straight, into the first flipping zone, a big gap. Look at this, Joey, big angle, makes it work. Super snappy transition, then flipping number 2 into number 3. Let's see what happens here. Nip right there, not giving him any room into number 4. Nip's still there, taking a shallower line, but look at this, Joey out in front. Raising the wall, perfectly executes the last flipping zone.
.5 advantage to Joey. Let's see the second run. Drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, Nit from Thailand, out the gate into the chicane. There we go, Joey from Malaysia, chasing him down on the main straight. Let's see this entry. Oh, I don't know if there's contact there, but look at this. Joey sticks it to Nit's door and gives him another tap just for good measure. But look at this, Nit out in front. Clean run so far. Doesn't let all those love taps affect his line out in front. And Joey still keeping the proximity. Let's see how he navigates the last clipping zone. And there you go. Lots of glove taps from Joey in the chase position and then white car. Let's see how the judges decide on this one. You can see our replay right there on the LED screen right there. So judges are asking for another replay. A lot of stuff happened in that run, so we just want to make sure we choose the right winner for this run. Here we go, a full course replay. There we go. I'm not sure if from this angle, I'm not sure if there's contact made before initiation, but contact was definitely made there. But look at Nit out in front, not affected, keeping his line, staying in it. One more transition, let's see what happens here. See Joey making corrections there to stick with Nit. Well, let's see.
Winner from Thailand, Mr. Nit.
Congratulations, Nit.
Kevin Tan versus Sherwin. Kevin is the leader. Sherwin is the chaser.
Here we go. We got Kevin in the lead. Sherwin in the chase position. Kevin with the bright pink car. Sherwin back with his green car in the chase position.
Okay, drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, Kevin off the line, into the chicane. Nice clean start. Sherwin's right there on his tail. Let's see this initiation. Almost side by side. Both of them getting flipped apart perfectly. Aggressive transition in clipping zone number 2. Look at Sherwin surging forward, lessening that angle to get that proximity. Oh, a little too aggressive on the transition. Sherwin commits that error. Bumping Kevin. Throws Kevin a little bit offline, but Kevin is still able to complete the run without any further drama. But then, a big mistake from Sherwin, who was going on to a run that would have been one of the greatest that we've ever seen today.
Score is 7-3 in favor of Kevin. Okay, drifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
There goes Sherwin out in front now. What will he do, knowing that he's at a disadvantage? Let's see his entry right here. Big entry, fills it up. Not as good as Kevin though. Transitions to clipping zone number 2. Let's see how they do here. Kevin, Kevin, just as I say that, has to make a big correction. Kevin getting slumped on the inside, getting trapped by Sherwin. Sherwin going to number 4 clipping zone. Into the last clip. Kevin almost destroying the rear of his car, but makes it work. I don't think there was even a millimeter between his bumper and that wall on that last transition.
Winner, Kevin. Glenn's the leader, Pat's the chaser. Lifters ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
There you go, Glenn out in front, all the way from Singapore, putt coming in, transitioning into the side of Glenn, just missing it into clipping zone number 2. There we go, easy putt, back in the show, door to door with Glenn out in front, into, some contact here, that transition going to number 3, into number 4. Puck loses ground, transitions into clip number 5, dives in and contact once more across the finish line.
Advantage to Glenn, got 5.5. Let's see the second round. Ready and 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, Glenn with an advantage. Will he take the safe route here, or is he going to dive in into Puck's door? He tries to dive in, almost door to door, clean in the first. Oh, and guess what I say that he dives in too aggressively, hits Puck out in front, into the third flipping zone. Nice and clean from Glenn. Nice transition. Shadowing Puck out in front. Quick transition here. Let's see how he does. Nice and clean. Amazing job out in front by Puck. But let's see. A round of applause for Glenn, sticking with him all the way to the finish line.
Winner from Thailand, Pat. Advan versus Sherwin.
There we go. Once again, Advan back on stage. He is from Tech One Drift, TDC 2023 World Class Qualifier. So again, high expectations from Sir Advan, but we saw how Sherwin can put the run together in our last competition, so it's still anyone's game.
Lifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
There you go, Advan off the line through the chicane. Sherwin trying to gain that proximity right from the get-go. Advan, big angle, dips 2 tires in, and Sherwin is just about there. Gives him a love tap on the door through flipping zone number 2 into number 3. Let's see what happens here. Advan, nice line through there, nice line to angle. Just as I say, that he taps the wall, makes a big correction. Flames from Advan's car right there, going across the finish line. Sherwin taking the inner line to gain that proximity.
Second round. The first round, advantage to Chaser. Let's see the second round. Ready and 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, Sherwin with the advantage. Going on to the main straight. Let's see his initiation. Gets 2 tires in. A little bit hesitant there. Gets in the flipping zone number 2, but Advan is right on his tail. Looking for that door. Nice transition, but Advan taps. Sherwin's door gains that proximity, sticking with him through this transition. Flames once again from Advan's mark through the finish line. Oh, but Advan takes the inner line, almost overtakes Sherwin across the finish line. I think the judges will not like that. A little bit of a timing error maybe from Advan's part. Dove right in, but ended up on the inside. Needed to get back on the gas, but it led him to the inside of the track, almost overtaking Sherwin.
Winner, Sherwin.
There you go, Sherwin moves on once again. Moves on to the next round.